chlorine and chemicals? Or how about a natural swimming pond filtered by mimicking God's natural ecosystem? Welcome to the natural swimming pond at United Ranch. So after much research, I decided to build a natural swimming pond that is filtered by using a bog filter, which is right here. It's pretty much a water garden that acts as a natural filtration system. So my pond is about 50 foot by 25 feet, and I built a mini little shallow pond right here that I installed the bog filter in, and that's about 8 by 12. So how it works is opposite of the bog filter, on the other end of the pond, I installed a 7,000 gallon per hour water pump that sucks in the regular pond water. It goes through PVC pipes that I ran alongside my pond up to in the bog filter, which is more PVC pipes that I installed, that I cut slits about every inch where the water comes through the PVC pipes into my bog, as you can see right there. On top of those PVC pipes, I installed about 6,000 pounds of 3/8 pea gravel. And in that pea gravel is where I installed, or not really installed, like hammered in plants, but where I put in and planted the bog plants, or the water plants, as you can see here. These are about a couple years old, some of these are even newer, and you can see how efficient this filtration system is, let alone how it cleans my swimming pond. So why this bog filter is so efficient and is such a natural powerhouse is that it mimics God's natural ecosystem as we see in nature itself. And it reduces the chlorine and chemicals that are so harsh to your skin and your body. And it reduces a lot of the mechanical features you see in ponds, like all these filtration systems. And instead of the machines, you see cannas, lilies, all these, creeping jenny, all these different amazing plants that are good for the environment, good for your skin, no chemicals and all that. So how it works is the pond water, which is filled with fish waste and plant waste, comes through those PVC pipes into the bog filter. So the gravel that was installed over those PVC pipes in this bog filter acts as a surface for the nitrifying bacteria to colonize. And that bacteria transforms the plant and fish waste into amazing plant food that these obviously love. Why it's so key to have the pea gravel, the gravel in here that you plant the plants in, is that the gravel is such low nutrient surface for the plants. Unlike other potting media and soil, the rocks are so low nutrient that the plant roots have to seek nutrients elsewhere, which is the water. And then that healthy water that's stripped of the nutrients because the plants used it all, goes down my waterfall, circulating the water, goes down the waterfall, aerating the pond with all the bubbles, with all the oxygen, goes down as clean, more clear, healthy water. So it's a complete healthy cycle. I mean, look at this plant. This plant was grown from an offshoot of these, but this was grown on my deck of me watering it. This is in the pot, compared to constantly used filtered bog filtration. I mean, look at the difference. Which one do you want? Plus you get the natural swimming pond that you can enjoy, the healthy swimming of the bog filter and the plants. It's a win-win situation. So if you like this video, make sure and subscribe and come join with me as I go into more detail of this amazing and healthy natural swimming pond and the filtration by the bog filter. As for me, I got a date with the fishes, and so I gotta go. United Ranch out.